Sup everyone, it's Caleb from Caleb Video Maker 2. This video we're going to be talking about the select statement. This is one of the key statements in SQL, so you want to pay attention. The way it works is very simple. All you have to do is say select, and then what you do is say the columns you want to select. That ultimately depends on what table you're going to select from, but let's select from our animals table. So let's go over to our Object Explorer and expand that table to see what we got in there. Subscribe, tables, animals. We can look at the columns here. We will start simple and we'll build our way up. So I'm going to select the ID, name, species ID, and the contact email. And then say from, and say what table you want to select this from. Animals. Let's run this and see if it works. Great, it works. You can see it returns all of the data that we want to see from this table. As you can see, the syntax is really not that hard, but there's actually some things we can do to make it simpler. The first thing, rather than going into our Object Explorer to see what kind of columns we have in there, what we can do is we can prefix each column with the table, and it will tell us what columns are available. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Let me erase this. We can say animals, dot, and here are all of the columns that are available to us. So this makes it super easy for us. The way you want to do it is ultimately up to you, but I'm just going to show you that this does work. And then let's run that. And you can see it works exactly the same. In this situation, we are selecting every single column. There's actually an easier way to tell SQL Server we want everything, and that's to replace all of these columns with an asterisk. And you can see it works just like normal. Additionally, you can put expressions in your select statement. So let's undo that, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's say instead of having the contact email followed by the name in two separate columns, we wanted to put that in one for easier reading or something like that. What we can do is literally just put plus signs to do what's known as concatenating. So we can take animals.contactemail plus animals.name. And this is going to be returned as one column. That's because there's no commas to separate the columns. Additionally though, we are going to want to put a quote in here with a space, maybe a hyphen, and then another plus. That way it just looks a little prettier for us. Let's try this. And there you go. You can see that it says Sally at calebcurry.com-Sally. So that is your introduction to the select statement. Hopefully that was nice and juicy. Oh goodness. My outros. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, click like. I will see you in the next video.